Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Edu everybody. Let's experience the education. So in the last video we have gone through the CSS comment. Now in this video we will learn about the CSS property. It is the right time to learn. So we will go with four basic CSS property. The first one is background border, second one is border, and third one is border radius, and fourth one is border collapse. So for understanding it, let's go to our VS Code and make a file CSS property I have already made, so you can make it as well. So let's write doc for getting the boilerplate. So here I am writing here CSS properties. Yes, thing we can write here div, then class, then container. Okay, we can write in this manner as well, but it is not the efficient method. So how we can get the same thing? I can write div, then for class I am writing dot, then I am writing container. Okay, now I have written container. So if you click enter, you will get the same thing. In the same way, if you want the container as ID, then you can write this one. Now you will get the ID. I hope this is clear. And if you want more than one div, so you can write two here, and this will make the two div with the class as container. I hope this is clear to you. So let's see the preview as well, how our code is look like. Now what I will do here, I will make one of the more div, and inside this I am writing here paragraph tag. Now for getting the dummy data, I am writing here lorem into 35. So this will generate you the lot of data. So I am clicking enter. Now as you can see, a lot of data has been generated here. So now what we will do, I will give the style. So here I will make the style tag, then inside that I will write the container. Now here I will give the background color as this one. So I will let you know about the background color, but right now we are focusing on the background. So first thing you can write here background color. So the color has been applied. Now here I am giving the padding and margin. If you are not clear about the padding and margin, do not worry about it, because I will let you know later what is padding and margin. But right now, for understanding all the properties related to background, we need it. So here I am writing the margin here at 30 pixel, and here I am writing the h1 tag. So edu everybody. So h1 tag has been came here, and now what I am writing here h1 text align center. So this has been centered, or you can cut it out and you can write here. Okay, so I have given the container, not a problem. So I hope this is clear to you. Now what I will do, I have to apply the background. So I am writing here body, so background image. I have already downloaded one of the image, as you can see, 1.jpg and 2.jpg. so let's use it. So you have to write URL here, then you have to write dot slash. इसका मतलब क्या आता है, you are on the current directory, because our file is in the same folder. So dot means showing current directory. Okay, so and assume that you are in the folder and your images are in the other folder, and the name of the folder is image img. So what you need to write, first you have to write this one, then you have to go one step up. Now you can write here img, then you can give the name, but my image in the same folder, so I do not have to go somewhere. I can get the everything here. So 1.jpg. Okay, as you can see, image has been applied here. Image has been applied 500. As you can see, image is repeating. This image is repeating here. If I will show you, as you can see, this image is repeating horizontally, and the image can be repeated in vertically as well. This is repeating in vertical, but the image can be repeated in horizontally as well. So this is the thing I have to fix. I do not want that my image should repeat again and again. Or you can write here too. As you can see, my image is being repeated in vertically or horizontally. So this is the first thing we can do, background image. Now what I do not want my image should repeat, so I will write here background repeat. So if I am writing no repeat, so this will come in the mid. Okay, background repeat, no repeat. Or I can write, if I want that my image should repeat in only one direction, I can write repeat x. As you can see, this has been repeated in x direction, this has been repeated in y direction. Okay, I hope this is also clear, but I do not want that my image is repeat. Okay, now I want that my image should be in the mid, not at the top. So for that I have a background position, so by default it is top. I can put it as a bottom. Now it has been gone through the bottom. I can want in the left side, so this will go to the left. As you can see, left, mid. I want to the right, this has been gone in the right. I want it should be in the mid. As you can see, this is in the mid. Now I want that my image covers the whole page, so for that I will write background image. So auto I can write here, I can write here cover. So cover will contain the entire screen with a single image, so it will not repeat anymore because I have written no repeat. And the one thing, as you can see, as I am scrolling my content, the image is also getting scrolled, but you want that this image should be fixed, the content is moved. So what I can write, I can write here fixed image background attachment fixed. So as you can see, my content is moving but my page is not getting moved. As I will write scroll here, so with content my image will also scrollable, so I do not want it, I want it to be fixed. So this has been done. You can explore more option. As you can see, background size, if I write, you can write here contain. Okay, so you can write here many more things. As you can see, this has been contain the complete width and height, but it is not cover the complete page. So you can scroll, you can cover the related things by yourself, remaining things by yourself. I hope this much is clear to you. We have covered all the things related to background. Now our second thing is border. So we have already, I think, okay, so we have not given the border, so let's give the border to the container. So first thing you need to learn here is border style. So border style means what you want the border as a solid. So as I have written solid, so the by default, if I let me show you the perfect example. Okay, so not a problem. So let's go live. So if you will see the by default width of that border, so let's see the by default width of that border. So because I have not given any border, so container border style, so by default I think so the border radius is 1 pixel, because if I give the border width 1 pixel, 2 pixel, now if I'm removing it, so let's write here 3 pixel. So this has been no effect. So I am thinking that the default width of that one is 3 pixel because we have not given any width, but still it is taking. So the by default width it has. Now you have to give here the style, what you want. You want the solid one, you want the dotted one, as you can see, or you want the dashed one, you want the double one. Okay, as you can see, this is somewhat double. I hope this is clear to you. If it is not, let me show you on the screen. this is double. You can explore more option. You can select the groove. So as you can see, the groove one is, so it is the grooving border. You can write here insert. So insert का मतलब क्या है कि ये टॉप पे आपको somewhat ब्लैक देगा और बॉर्डर पे आपको वाइट देगा, और आउटसेट अगर आप इसको करते हो तो आउटसेट में इसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा, ये आपको टॉप पे वाइट देगा और बॉटम में आपको somewhat ब्लैक देगा, as you can see. So this is all about the border style. Now if you want to increase and decrease the border width, then you have to write here border width. Now I'm writing here 10 pixel. Then border color, you can, so by default color is black, so you can give any choice of your color. Okay, as you, but if you do not give the border style, okay, so as you can see, both has been removed. There is no value, there is no importance of both one, because first you need to write here the border style, which type of style you want. Then on that style you can add the width and the color, because by default it has width and color. So but by default border do not have any style, so you need to first define the style. I hope this is clear to you. Border style, border width and border color. And here you can write the name, you can write the hexadecimal and the decimal code of the given number. You can search on the Google what's the code of the blue violets, then it will give you the two code, hexadecimal and the decimal value. So you can write any of the things, both will run fine. Now the third one is border radius. Okay, now if you want that I do not want the sharp edges, I want the curved edges. So for that you can write here 10 pixel. As you can see, this has been somewhat bordered. If I will write here 30 or so pixel, as you can see, this has been completely getting circled. So depend upon your requirement, you can give the border radius as well. और इन तीनों का जो एक शॉर्ट हैंड है वो ये है कि यहाँ पे बॉर्डर लिखो. सो पहला क्या होगा, आपको यहाँ पे विड्थ देनी होगी, मैंने दिया 1 पिक्सल. देन आपको यहाँ पे स्टाइल देनी होगी, आई हैव रिटन द डॉटेड. देन आप लोग को यहाँ पे कलर लिखना होगा, सो 3 पिक्सल. मैंने कितना दिया, मैंने दिया 10 पिक्सल. ओके, आप यहाँ पर सॉलिड लिख लो. अगर आपको सेम चीज़ को वेरीफाई करना है कि ऊपर वाला नीचे वाला सेम है कि नहीं, तो आप ऐसा कर लो. ये भी हो गया, बॉर्डर रेडियस भी हो गया. अब बॉर्डर कोलैप्स. अब बॉर्डर कोलैप्स का काम आता है, बॉर्डर कोलैप्स का काम आता है टेबल में. सो इसको हम लोग क्लोज करते हैं और इसको लेके चलते हैं. अब देखो यहाँ पे हमारा क्या है, टेबल है. आप चाहते हो कि इन दोनों का जो बॉर्डर का जो स्पेसिंग है वो कोलैप्स हो जाए. तो आप यहाँ पर क्या करोगे, आपको यहाँ पे दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक अगर आप यहाँ पर लिखो बॉर्डर कोलैप्स, सो अगर आप सेपरेट करते हो तो तब तो ऐसे रहेगा. मतलब अगर आप इसको रिमूव करते हो तो आपका जो पिछली बार उन्होंने बनाया था वो ऐसा है. अगर आप इसे कोलैप्स करते हो, सो एज यू कैन सी दिस हैज़ बीन कोलैप्स्ड एंड दिस इज लुकिंग गुड एज वेल. अगर आप चाहते हो कि ये जो दो सेल हैं उनके पास ज़्यादा स्पेस हो, सो उसके लिए आप क्या लिखोगे, पहले तो आप सेपरेट लिखोगे, उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे बॉर्डर स्पेसिंग. अब आप अपने हिसाब से यहाँ पे बॉर्डर स्पेस दे सकते हो. मान लीजिए आपने यहाँ पे बॉर्डर स्पेस दिया, लेकिन यहाँ पे आपने लिखा कोलैप्स, तो इसका देने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, बिकॉज बॉर्डर ऑलरेडी कोलैप्स हो चुका है. सो बॉर्डर स्पेसिंग अप्लाई नहीं होगा. ये तभी अप्लाई होगा जब आपने यहाँ पे सेपरेट लिखा हो, और बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ये सेपरेट होता है. आई होप एवरीथिंग इज़ क्लियर. बैकग्राउंड वी हैव सीन ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज, वी हैव सीन द border as well, border radius and border collapse. So I hope everything is clear, guys. Please like, subscribe and comment. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.